Did your little one turn your carpet into a makeup powder playground? Don't worry, I've got a simple trick to erase those accident art projects using just what is in your kitchen. No fancy gadgets or stress, just quick, easy and budget friendly. Stay tuned to rescue your carpet in minutes. This is what happened to our carpet when my little one decided to raid my makeup bag and everything ended up on the floor. Just a quick disclaimer, our carpet is made of nylon, so the cleaning method that I'll show you today is safe for nylon carpets. However, there's different types of carpet, such as wool, polyester, or polypropylene, which may require different cleaning approaches. However, because this is a simple and budget-friendly cleaning method, it should be able to work for them. But always check your carpet's care and label before trying any cleaning method. So coming back on the types of carpets, it all depends on your lifestyle. If you want something that is luxury and durable, you should go for wool. But if you want something practical, long-lasting option, then nylon is a good choice. When it comes to softness and vibrant colors, then polyester works well. And for stain resistance and eco-friendliness, triaxter is perfect. And for affordability and moisture resistant, polypropylene is good for it. Coming back to this hot mess that I need to clean, first thing first, we needed to vacuum the carpet before lifting up any dirt. So we went ahead and just used a handheld vacuum cleaner and carefully cleaned the carpet. Try as much as possible to pick up all the makeup particles that are on the carpet, because this will make your life easier. After spending a couple of minutes vacuuming the carpet, this is how it looks, which is much better than the way it was before. Here's what you need to create the cleaning solution. You will need a splash of washing up liquid with a little bit of warm water in a container. You can use either a piece of cloth or wipes. Apologies, I was not able to record the beginning of how we clean the carpet, but what we actually did was gently blot the stain out, and then later on we kind of scrub it just like the way we're doing here, just literally putting the soap solution into the wipes and rubbing it on the carpet and just removing the dirt. As you can see, the amount of the wipes that we used to clean this. So initially it was really messy, but later on it kind of lifted the dirt. As you can see, the collection of the wipes that we've had to use to do this. But I think I would recommend a piece of cloth which is eco-friendly rather than using wipes. Prior to using this method, I thought I would need to use the carpet washer to clean up the makeup on the carpet, but I was really surprised I did not need to do that, and just the soap solution kind of did the job and got rid of the dirt. So next time you hit with this kind of mess, just worry not if you do not have a carpet washer. You can simply use a soapy solution to clean your carpet and it will lift up the dirt. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you like this type of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post a new video. And voila, a makeup-free, stain-free carpet, all without bringing out the big guns or expensive cleaners. Just washing up liquid, water and a little bit of patience, and the carpet is as good as new. So next time when you get makeup on your carpet, just remember you've got this. Simple, cheap, effective, and most importantly, no power tools required. Have you ever had to clean makeup stains off your carpet? What tricks or product did you use? Drop your stories and tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear what worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.